All right, so the time has come to rebuild our pond in the backyard here. If you saw my other videos, we did the patio last year, we did the sod regrading in the backyard, and now it's time for this fountain that has never worked since we bought this house like 13 years ago. So what we're gonna do is a 3-tier waterfall. And thankfully I have some amazing help here to make this happen. So day one here, let's see what we get finished today. We help people achieve the highest quality of life through buying and selling real estate. If you're looking to buy a home or sell a home in New Jersey, Delaware, or Pennsylvania, my team and I would be honored to help. And you can contact us at info@promptagents.com. All this stuff's going to be going into the pond here. All these rocks. And we'll see what we come up with when it's done.
So like I said, we have an existing pond here that never functioned, and the intention was to build a 3-tier waterfall about 36 inches higher above the existing fountain. So what we did was we put cinder block wall in the back, so we didn't have to use all of our rocks for that back portion, and it also made it a lot stronger as well, putting the cinder blocks in the back, and then we did cinder blocks on the bottom row to just kind of hold that big ledge that we put in there. So it worked pretty well, the system that we had set up there.
Look at it.
All right, so we're filling up the pond. This is day 2. We have a lot of work here, getting all these rocks in. Waterfall is going to come out there, come down, trickle down these ledges.
Look at it.
Looking pretty good.
Come on, you want to look?
I'll see. Hopefully in a couple minutes we'll be able to start it up. So with the extra pallet of rocks that we bought, we had some extra pavers to be able to use around our planting area and then also around our grill. So I'm going to show you what that looks like, what we did with those extras. All right, so coming off the patio, what we did with some of our extra rocks here, we added these really nice stones here. Just a little walkway, you can kind of walk right out. The grill's right here, and then walk right out to the fountain. And then we also had some extras kind of lined around here. We're going to be doing some new mulch in here. And here we are from the fountain. A really nice look how we were able to line that bed. So really happy with that, how that turned out. Really nice. So this waterfall was quite a project. It took really about 2 days to get it fully outfitted with rocks here, and we had to go back and get another pallet of rocks. And here's what we have behind us. After a big thunderstorm, the first night after we completed it, we had a big thunderstorm. A lot of the rocks had shifted. We had a couple leaks out the side. So we went back yesterday, kind of resealed some of the spots on it. Put some bigger rocks on the sides to just kind of make it look a little bit better, and also hopefully prevent the water from coming out the sides. So just fired it up a couple minutes ago. Right now everything's looking good. The water's flowing a lot better. I'm not seeing any leaks out the side of the waterfall here, so we're looking pretty good. This was quite a project. Big thanks to Uncle and to my father-in-law, son, a lot of big family effort here to put this thing together. But yeah, the falls are complete and looking good here.